Me that. Then me just go town and say, today me did buy the ticket. Nobody not see me again till I'm wake up in my house. I say, boy, we were be shame last night. Me couldn't reach Canada. They refuse me. Because me not go show them my visa, my uncles. So me get that now. What you call that? Prank. They will pull that prank. Yeah. I reach a airport, I go up on live. And tell them, say, me I left. And then, no, something like that. Come on back off a live. When me I put on my back, them and nobody not see me again for a day. And the morning, me wake up on my yard. And tell them, say, plane never take me. I'm ashamed, and then after that, me left. So it have to be maybe a week before. And give them time for blog and chat and chat and chat and chat and chat. And come out, come see who a hypocrite from who.
Money for your birthday and the other day and
the best way is to go out that the people, every blogger I go come out. The best way is to go out that the people, every blogger I go come out come for me thief the money. Yes. So when I buy me ticket and give me spending money, me have also that in a June. Oh, pretty scream and sitting. Cause when me nearly get P and Shelly there right there. You can't stay there. Me have also that on YouTube and Facebook. Figure. Oh, me figure to that. But when me also, and don't know, the best way is to go out that the people, every blogger I go come out come for me thief the money. Yes. So when me come now and say me have the visa, and then in a me already, ending a me I look at ticket money to June and whatsoever, so me can have me something them put on. Because you have to buy ticket for now. If you wait till in time, they are expensive. And I put on me traveling money and me have me this and me that. Then me just go town and say, today me did buy the ticket. And nobody not see me again till I'm wake up in my house. And say, boy, we were be shame last night. Me couldn't reach Canada. They refuse me. Because me not go show them my visa, my uncles. So me get And then we are going to pull that now. What you call that? Prank. Then we are going to pull that prank. Then we wake up and drive that home. Yeah. I'm at the airport. When I reach the airport, I go up on live. And tell them, say, me I left. And then, no, something like that. Come on back off a live. When me I put on my back, them and nobody not see me again for a day. And the morning, I wake up on my yard.
So come on.
So me I'll get the plane fare, yeah, buy me. I buy me ticket and give me spend me nearly get P and Shelly there right there. So you can't stay there. Me have also that on YouTube and Facebook. Figure. Oh, me figure to that. But when me also, and don't know, the best way is to go out that the people, every blogger I go come out come for me thief the money. Yes. I have the visa. And then in a me already, ending a me I look at ticket money to June and whatsoever, so me can have me something them put on. Because you have to buy ticket for now. If you wait till in time, they are expensive. And I put on me traveling money and me have me this and me that. Then me just go town and say, today me did buy the ticket. And nobody not see me again till I'm wake up in my house. I said, boy, we were be shame last night. Me couldn't reach Canada. They refuse me. Because I'm not going to show them my visa, my uncles. They make it. That now, what you call that? Prank. They will pull a prank. And we, yeah. I reach a airport, I go up on live. And tell them, say, me I left. And then, no, something like that. Come out back off a live. When me I put on my back, them and nobody not see me again for a day. And the morning, me wake up on my yard. Until they say plane never take me. I'm ashamed, and then after that, I left. So it have to be maybe a week before. And give them time for blog and chat and chat and chat and chat and chat. And come out, come see who a hypocrite from who.
Money for your birthday and the other day.
They have also that in June. Oh, pretty scream and sitting. Because nearly when me nearly get P and Shelly there right there. So you can't stay there. Me have also that on YouTube and Facebook. Figure. Oh, me figure to that. But when me also, and don't know, the best way is to God thought that the people, every blogger I go come up. The best way is the God thought that the people, every blogger I go come out come for me thief the money. Yes. So when I buy me ticket and give me spending money, me have also that in June. Oh, pretty scream and sitting. Because nearly when me nearly get P and Shelly there right there. So you can't stay there. Me have also that on YouTube and Facebook. Figure. Oh, me figure to that. But when me also, and don't know, the best way is to God thought that the people, every blogger I go come out come for me thief the money. Yes. So when me come now and say me have the visa, and then in a me already, ending a me I look at ticket money to June and whatsoever, so me can have me something them put on, because you have to buy ticket for now. If you wait till in time, they too expensive. And I put on my traveling money and me have me this and me that. Then me just go town and say, today me did buy the ticket. And nobody not see me again till I'm wake up in my house. And say, boy, we were ashamed last night. Me couldn't reach Canada. They refuse me. Because I'm not going to show them my visa, my uncles. They make it. And then we are going to pull that now. What you call that? Prank. Then we are going to pull that prank. Then we wake up and drive that home.